Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is 5 is to power x plus 25 is to power x is equal to 125 is to power x, and we should solve this question for the value of x. In order to solve this question, first we should convert this 25 and 125 into power of 5. As a result, we should get 5 is to power will remain same. This 25 can be written as 5 square is to power x, and this 125 can be written as 5 cube over power x. Now, these power can be interchanged together from the basic rule of algebra. So, we can write these 5 square over is to power x can be written as 5 is to power x is to power square, and these three power can be interchanged with this x place. As a result, we should get 5 is to power x over all power cube. Now let's consider 5 is to power x is equals to y. So we should replace 5 is to power x with y in this equation. As a result, we should get y plus y square is equals to y cube. Now in the next step, this y square will move from one side to the other side of the equation. As a result, we should get y square, and this y will move from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation and convert into minus y equal to 0. So here we get the new equation after rearrange this equation as y cube minus y square minus y equal to 0. Now we should take common y from this entire equation. As a result, we should get y into y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now we should separate both of these values with equal to 0, or we should take both of this expression and this y equal to 0. As a result, we should get y equal to 0 and y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now first we should solve this value y equal to 0. Then we should solve this entire expression for the value of y. So first we should solve y is equals to 0, and as we know that this y is equal to 5 is to power x is equals to 0. Now in order to solve this question, first we should take log on both sides of the equation. As a result, we should get log 5 is to power x is equals to 0, and as we know that log 0 is a undefined value, so this is a undefined value and we should unable to get the answer for the value of x. As a result, this value is undefined, so we should not solve further for the value of x by using this expression 5 is to power x is equal to 0. Now we should move the next equation, which is y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0, and we can see that this is a quadratic equation and this is not a factorizable equation. So we should solve this equation by the quadratic formula. We should compare this equation with the quadratic formula. As a result, we should get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1, and c is equals to minus 1. And as we know that the quadratic formula is y is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a, and we should replace this a, b and c with 1, minus 1 and minus 1. As a result, we should get y is equals to y minus into minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 over 2 into 1. Now we should simplify this expression or this formula by 1 plus minus under root 1 plus 4 over 2. How? Simply this minus will multiply together. As a result, we should get positive 1. The square of minus 1 will be equal to 1, minus will be equal to plus, and 4 into 1 will be equal to 4. 2 into 1 will be equal to 2. Now we should add up both of these values. As a result, we should get y is equals to 1 plus minus under root 5 over 2. And as we know that y is equal to 5 is to power x, so here we replace this y with 5 is to power x and the entire value will remain same. Now we should solve this question for the value of x, and by using log we should solve this expression for the value of x. As a result, we apply the log on the both of side of the equation, and as a result we should get log 5 is to power x is equal to log 1 plus minus under root 5 over 2. Now this expression can be written as x log of 5 equal to log 1 plus under root 5 over 2. We discard the minus value for the log because we can't get the value for the log for the value of minus root under root 5 value. So this log 5 value will move from one side equation to the other side of the equation. As a result, we should get x is equal to log 1 plus under root 5 over 2 over log 5. And we can write this log and this log as log base 5 1 plus under root 5 over 2, and this is the answer for the value of x for the expression 5 is to power x plus 25 is to power x is equal to 125 is to power x, and the answer for this x is equal to log base 5 1 plus under root 5 over 2. I hope this video is very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.